guys, today here I'm making slime again. As you can see, my other one I made yellow slime. So I have my activated.
And they're able to get the help for us.
Look at that.
I was the one being carried off the battlefield, and now I help carry others.
Words can't even begin to describe the love that I have for the Wounded Warrior Project.
Can't say it now.
Wounded Warrior Project definitely saved lives. I am living proof that this organization works.
Now is the time to show your
And
support.
just
Please call Wounded Warrior Project or go online with your gift right now.
Okay, so now let's get glue. And now, alright, I'm going to show you other things I have. I have this wood coloring. I have this wood coloring. Spool. Borax. Lemon water. Gold glitter. Glue. White Elmer's glue. You really want Elmer's glue? Instead of those type of creative stuff, because they're not really good. Get out my glue.
Some holiday cheer. Go find great things that we can reinvent. Or we can make a cocktail.
Slide that to the side.
Hopefully for Christmas. Yes. Flea Market Flip, Sunday at 8 on GAC.
Oh gosh.
Hey, welcome back to the Great American Playlist. Hanging out with Gary Allen. Before the break, we played a new song, and the lyric video messed me up. You know, a guy that is so serious. I mean, some of the songs, you know, the heartbreak that you deliver, and then we can see you
Try
inside you
something.
that I don't think a lot of people see very often when you're kissing on a duck. That's scratching music, scratching your cute little pet
It's
duck.
funny, I took that duck to me to a restaurant yesterday. I'll post that later, but
You did.
it was one of those like outdoor ones where everybody pulls up in their boat, and my duck came waddling in with me, and I sat down and ate with, and it sat with all the other ducks. And then when I left, my duck left with me.
Did it really? So
Yeah.
it's sad with it mingles with all the other
No,
ducks.
the other ducks completely freaked it out. It didn't think it was a duck. It definitely thinks it's a person. And yeah, it was completely wigged out when they flew.
For anybody who doesn't know the story, this was a duck that you rescued. It was kind of left behind.
Yeah.
at your
Found like
place.
7 ducks in the pool, and we were scooping them out as fast as we could to give them back to the mom. And then mom left with like 6 of them. And then 2 of them sat out underneath the dock.
I think that's all the glue I
all
can
night,
get
and
out.
then the next day one was left, so
No,
we brought it in.
so I'm doing pink since I already have like yellow and
And then
purple.
they got angel wing where the wings start to flop forward, and then I found that's only from a domestic duck.
I'm using
that
this
died. So we had to wrap the ducks and make sure the wings healed properly, and they did. But we're all cool now.
All this duck research.
but
And
it's-
you know, the
yeah.
dog, that's what the first thing I thought of.
And to, like
But
this
that's
morning, I
cute
drink
little
coffee and I
noise.
go out and it swims in the pool and eats all the bugs out of the pool. And I feel like I just walk around the edge of the lake and it feeds itself. And some days we'll go fly with other ducks and then come walk in the house and chill with us. And
So I mean,
back out.
and I say she, it was a he at first when I first met your duck.
First we
Bob.
started calling her Bob, yeah. Now it's a girl.
Bob has become Barb.
Barbara.
Barbara. Bob.
Barbara.
I love that. It kind of just imprinted on you.
It follows you around the house. It loves to be held. It's a crack up. Yeah.
I love when you leave, like when you're in Bahamas. I saw somebody post, "Where's Barb? Where's More people are worried
I
about
kind of love
that.
it pink.
I love
It
it.
is super cool though.
But so much.
It's really fun to go walk around the yard.
How would they
I went paddleboarding yesterday and it totally followed me around the paddleboard.
That is awesome.
Yeah, it's definitely my duck.
If you ever need a duck sitter, but I would worry because I have dogs. If you have dogs, and you have to keep them separate.
No, dogs are cool with it. I know there was a lot of yelling at the dogs at first and leave it. At first I just made all the dogs down as soon as the duck came in the room. And now, so whenever the ducks
So
close
now
down,
I'm
they
just
just
gonna
all
stick
get
a
down. So they don't get
blue.
yelled at. And
Really
Here's a
cute.
duck.
Oh, this is pretty.
It's gonna be a
Blue.
whole other
It's
side.
it's 2, guys. I'm using 2.
That's great.
It'd be great with gold.
Inspired jewelry?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, this is something.
you know what? We're moving right now. I bought the house next door, so we've been moving, and my shop is just in disarray. Like 2 of my girls just graduated jewelry school, so we were all working on the same bench. And I'm making a new shop that has 3 benches in it.
Can't get any
But
of these
everything's just kind of
colors.
on hold.
Whoa.
Serious.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
Kids.
Now we
My
can
kids are
finally
really good,
learn
too, so we're gonna be
Where can
doing
people
this
find
here.
this stuff?
This is so
I'll
pretty.
eventually be able to find it online, and then I'll do something with GaryAllenJewelry.com. But right now we're building inventory. Right now I feel like when the next time I show everybody, I want it to be really, really blingy diamonds and cool stuff.
I've seen some of that, and it's pretty wild that you can do that. I love it. I used to love when
Let me
you
show
were
you
actually
color.
showing it online when you were doing videos and stuff.
The new room I'm setting up will be set up for that.
So you'll be able to.
So I got new microscopes, so you'll be able to see what I'm doing in the microscopes up on the walls, and that way when we're all working
We'll
together,
get a
we can see what we're
little
doing.
bit
It'll make it more
more.
interesting to watch.
That'll be
I mean, you
enough.
get hands and a little bit of everything.
Yes.
But, and most importantly, Ken's going, okay, jewelry coming, music coming too.
Yes.
This is going to be a brand new
I'm
album.
really excited for everybody to get new music. It's been years. You guys know I'm ready.
Oh, wow.
I done my part. I just got to get it out there.
So that's, so you're just waiting on it for it to be released and seeing how
Yeah, I've turned in like 20 songs, and it's been so long that I've switched what the album is going to be 2 or 3 times, just to focus on it.
What is the songs?
You know what? I don't know.
Changing? Because it's constantly
Because
evolving.
if it takes another 4 or 5 months to get it out, yeah,
It
then
changes.
I'll have new ideas and I'll switch. Yeah.
That's wild. Looking forward to it as always, man. Always a pleasure to have this man in the studio, Mr. Gary Allen. Everybody, how about we go ahead and play? I think both agree that, hands down, I know it's one of my favorites.
Definitely
What are
one
your
of mine.
favorites?
Yeah, I love this song. I couldn't do a show without it. It's one of the biggest reactions to the show.
Stood there in the middle of the church of the broken people. Listen to the walking wounded
Oh,
child.
it matches my shirt.
My turn came, I told him my name.
It's your turn, buddy. It's been your turn.
Of course, somebody's over there when it's my turn.
Okay, that's enough drops. I got a little tiny drops. They're not gonna do anything. This color here? No, it's not. Okay, now let's add the sparkles. Gold. Okay, that's a lot. Let's see work. I'm just gonna pour the whole bag in. It's the point, because it's gonna be pretty. Okay, now I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Just a little bit once. Okay, it's not ready. But keep mixing. Just keep going. Too much water. I'm just gonna knead. So this line's a turtle fill. Maybe. Just maybe. It might just be maybe. It might not be a turtle fill. Because I did not. It's probably because it works. I try to beat down. I'm not really getting down. to pour that activator in. Okay, goodness. It's just so that water is like not getting that Okay, here it comes.
Seems like I'm settled. You can take the rest of the day off.
Bring it home to great American country.
The slime's coming.
Started with this store 17 years ago.
So pretty.
For people.
It has sparkles in it. I'll show you in a minute. Like you can see the sparkles.
We thought it would be cool to have cats where customers could come in and relate to the cats.
Monty is very manly, and Finnegan is much more laid back.
Finn was born with a disability in his rear legs.
He's adapted very well. He hops like a bunny, which is super cute. Finny, come
You walk in here and you see the cats, and it just changes your attitude immediately.
They are part of our family, basically. It makes me excited to come to work.
Bring it home. Brought to you by Temptation. The street that can't resist. Cats will do anything for the irresistible taste of Temptation's treats.
What are you doing?
All right, check this out. Temptations. Cats can't resist. Now's the time to track down the best deals at Cabela's after Christmas clearance. Take 40 to 50% off select Cabela's apparel. Plus, save up to 50% on select footwear from national brands like Ariat, Timberland, Danner, and more. Save big during Cabela's after Christmas clearance. Shop in store.
It's so cool, guys. Okay,
We agree.
I'll put it up. Wait, here, let me not get all that brightness. So you can see the little dots and the sparkles, and this is so good. Wait, I don't know how to explain.
Is made at home.
How can you make your house the center of the neighborhood?
It gets not sticky. I don't want it was.
Then find space for extra.
Look, if I put it next to my shirt, you can't even tell it's there. They totally
Paying too much for car insurance is like
like
throwing
if
money
you do
away.
this,
Money you could use for
you'll
lots
be
of
able
other
to see the
things,
sparkle.
especially if you have tickets or an accident on your driving record. Right
They're
now,
gold sparkles.
General
I
can
doubt
get
you'd
an
be able to see them
anonymous
very
quote with low
good.
payments.
But this is a total goodness.
Proof of insurance.
Yo.
Find out if you're paying too much for car insurance.
Whoa. Excuse me. Total
Saving
good.
money with retail not? Just shop your favorite stores. Claim cash back. Up to $30 with one click. It's
So,
that easy. So, now what? Well,
I hope you guys love this. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe
shopping now.
and ring that bell. The first person to subscribe, the first 5 people to subscribe, they'll be getting a fidget spinner. Please, please, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.